Hi, it's Colleen and Ariana from Tuscan Women Cook. We can't be in Italy, so we're bringing Italy to you. And zucchini is in abundance right now, so we're going to make zucchini two ways. A stuffed zucchini and zucchini carpaccio.
This is a vegetarian recipe, so it's really easy to do. While Colleen is heating up some olive oil in a pan, she will add some chopped onion and chopped garlic and let it cook. While I will show you how to cut the zucchini. So first of all, you have to take a regular long zucchini and cut off the ends. Then you cut it on a half. And then all you have to do is scoop out the squash. As you can see, I have just scooped the squash out of the zucchini, and now all I have to do is chop it just a little bit to cook faster. And then we add everything in the pan with the onion and the garlic. And we should wait we should let it cook until the water will be evaporated. And the only thing is that we want to remind you that you can find this video on our website at tuscanwomancook.com.
Second way we're going to make zucchini today with Tuscan Women Cook is zucchini carpaccio, which is basically raw zucchini. Super easy. Use your mandolin. Carefully, always use the handle. Just get these things as thin as you possibly can. Put them on a beautiful dish. We've already did them here. A little olive oil. Nice amount of olive oil, actually, to cover them. And I like to use the flaky salt because just gives a little extra texture. You can add pepper if you want. We have the rosemary from the stuffed zucchini, so you can put a little bit of that on top. Voila. And the piece de resistance is the shaved Parmesan. And you can use this fancy little thing, or your mandolin, or a potato peeler. Either one. Zucchini two ways, so easy.
After that you have cooked your zucchini and your onions, you put everything in a bowl and you add the Parmesan. Then you add the crumbs, the rosemary, the egg, and salt and pepper. Then you start to mix everything together. I am stuffing the zucchini, and then I will put them in the oven and cook them for approximately 30 minutes maybe, or until the top gets brown. Let's see how they will look like. The zucchini are finally cooked, and as you can see, they're getting brown on top, so it means that they are ready to be eaten.
And the carpaccio is raw, ready to go. Just a little couple squeeze of lemon. And this is zucchini two ways. We're bringing Italy to you from Tuscan Women Cook. Hope to see you soon, and we've got a lot of great recipes coming your way. See you soon.